Guys, we've just finished from the Dub keynote. A lot of announcements to do with macOS, iOS 7, iPadOS, but the one that you are interested in seeing right now is downstairs. So let's go, let me show you. Look at this and this. There are a couple of them dotted around, but this is the brand new Apple Vision Pro in all its glory. There's so much to unpack here, but let me try and summarize the main points. So Apple just announced the Vision Pro headset at its Worldwide Developer Conference. They spent almost 45 minutes talking about how the hardware works and how you're meant to use it. So it's meant to be the next generation of computing, spatial computing, that combines the experiences of digital with the space that you're in. Now, Apple also demoed multiple desktop views, watching movies, communicating, and it's all controlled with eye movement, fingers, and voice, which looked incredibly impressive. Now, after the event, we were able to take a brief look at the $3,499 Vision Pro itself, but we weren't allowed to use it or even touch it. Now, hardware-wise, it's a dramatically better looking device than any other AR/VR headset that I've seen. The actual headset itself is quite thin, and the goggles are slightly curved and should wrap around most people's faces. But those of us that wear glasses, there are an option to add lenses that can just slip in. The whole device had this aluminium look, and the cable coming out on the left side had an iPhone-sized battery pack at the bottom that provides 2 hours of battery life. Now, the small bumps you see on the sides of the Vision Pro band are where the built-in audio lives. They spoke a lot about how spatial audio is one of the big selling points of the device, and most of its other sensors and cameras are housed just under the front-facing glass. And at the bottom of the glasses are the vents, which run underneath both eyes. They're probably there to help push all the processor's hot air down and out. But I do wonder how hot this is going to get. Now, internally, it's meant to be powered by an M2 and a new R1 chip. So the Vision Pro's front-facing display had this purple light, which will be the indication that someone is in the headset but can't see out. And we weren't able to see the other view, which is when the wearer's eyes are actually projected through the front screen, which I think looks interesting again. Now, this is either going to look futuristic or incredibly scary, but we'll have to wait until early next year for when it releases. Right, that's a wrap. Let me know your thoughts, particularly on the Apple Vision Pro, in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.